Hello students, today we are going to take a short revision of what we have done till today in the ALGA 11 classes. In the grammar portion, we did the use of demonstratives to indicate proximity and count. For example, we have my brother bought this book for me, and the next sentence is my brother bought these books for me. So where we use this and these. Both the words this and these tell us about things or people which are near the speaker. However, this is used for one book, that is singular number, and these is used for the many books, that is plural in number. For another example, we take this dog is sitting on the floor, that is near to us and singular in number. Next, these apples are fresh. These are also near to us and plural in numbers. So we used these here. In the next picture, we are having that bird just flew away. Those clouds are covering the sun. So how are the words that and those used here? Because both the words that and those tell us about things or people which are far from the speaker. However, that is used for the singular number as the bird was one only. So we used that bird just flew away, and clouds are many. So those is used for the plural in numbers. In this example, we are having some sentences and we have to find out the correct and incorrect sentences. First one is, that is a table at the front. Those door is open. These children are raising their hands. These students have books. In this sentence, as we are seeing that book is very near to us and in front to us. So we have to use this in the place of that, because that is used for the things which are far from us. So here this one is incorrect, so we have to use this in place of that. This is a table at the front. Next one is, those door is open. As you know that those is used for the plural numbers, but as we see we have only one door in the classroom, so this one is also incorrect and we have to use that door is open. That will be used in the place of those. The next one is, these children are raising their hands. As we are seeing here, there are many children and we have to use these for the plural numbers. But here this is given. So we have to use these children are raising their hands. And the next one is, these students have books. It is absolutely correct because there are many students and many books. So we will use these. Next one, identify interrogatives in a text. Using what? We use what to ask questions about things, names, or not people. This is used when there could be many possible answers. For example, here we have, what is your name? What are you cooking today? Next one is using which. We use which to ask questions when we want to choose or identify something from a specific group. Like, out of all the subjects, which is your favorite subject? We have choices. Which day is a holiday for you this week? So we will use which for the choices. Using who. We use who to ask questions about a specific people doing something, like who is standing at the door, who were you speaking to, who are your friends, who dropped you at the school. So for the specific peoples we will use who. Using whom. We use whom when we want to know on which person the action is done to. Right? On which person the action is done to. Like, whom should I talk to about the story? To whom was the book given to? By whom was the car driven? Whom did you see? Let's recap. To ask about specific people doing something. When we are going to ask questions about the specific people doing something, then we will use who. And when we want to know on which person the action is done to, on which person the action is done to, then we will use whom. Like, who is standing at the door? We are asking about the specific people who is standing. And whom was the book given to? Here we are talking about the person on which the action is done to. Right? Next one, using whose. We use whose to find out the person that a particular thing belongs to. Whose book is this? Whose turn is to speak next? Whose pen do you take? Whose birthday is today? Is it today? So, when we need to find out the person that a particular thing belongs to, there we will use whose. Here we have an example to fill in the blank with the correct word. Dora couldn't choose blank painting she liked the most. And here we have the options whom, what, who, which. As you know very well that whom is used where we have to find the person on which the action is done to, and what is used for the multiple answers. Who is used where we are talking about a specific people, and which is used for the choices. So here we have to choose. Dora couldn't choose. So the right answer is which. Which painting she liked the most. The next example we have, Meenu had asked everyone if they knew blank on the cute doll. What, which, who, whose. So here we all know that in this sentence Meenu had asked everyone if they knew about blank on the cute doll. About the specific person she is asking. So about the specific people when we ask, we will use who. So the right answer will be who. Who owned the cute doll. Right? So in this way we have revised the uses of this, that, these, those, and all the question words, WH question words like what, who, whose, which, and whom. So keep revising all these and happy learning. Thank you.